Hello to everyone. Today I would like to tell you something about the maintenance. Exactly, I would like to show you what is different between reactive maintenance, preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance. So we have here an maintenance. Maintenance and three types. Okay, so number 1, number 2, and number 3. So number 1 is reactive. Okay, reactive. And what does mean reactive? And number 2, preventive. Preventive maintenance has long been recognized as extremely important in the reduction of maintenance costs and improvement of asset reliability. And in practice, it takes many forms. Two major factors that should control the extent of a preventive program are first, and of course, the cost of the program compared with the carefully measured reduction in the total repair costs and improved asset performance. But next and higher level is, after preventive maintenance, is of course predictive maintenance. And how it looks like. So reactive maintenance is like this. Okay, we have here 1, 2, and this is an equipment life, and this is time. This is time. And equipment is working somewhere here, and here is a breakdown. And after that we have to solve the problem, and again we start from here below, and next breakdown. When we look at the preventive maintenance, so we have here again equipment, and here we have time, and it will look like this. So equipment is working, but somewhere here we provide preventive maintenance. So we again go somewhere here, equipment working, and again preventive maintenance, and again equipment working, and again preventive maintenance. And breakdown should be somewhere here, but we provide preventive maintenance, so we are without breakdown. But this time is too long, and sometimes is this form of preventive maintenance very expensive. Because this is about very good optimization. You have find optimum, what you can see in my video. But if you start with the predictive maintenance, it is the best form, because we have again equipment and of course here time, and here equipment is working. Somewhere here we had preventive maintenance in step 2, but equipment working, still working, and we predict something here, so we have to provide some corrective and preventive actions, so preventive actions, and breakdown is somewhere here. So very early before breakdown we identified that we have to do something with equipment, so for this time we saving money, because money for the maintenance technician, so for the hours of their work, and also for the spare parts, and this time is production time, so we can produce products. So this is explanation why is this form the best. But the best for critical equipment or equipment of A category. About categorization of the equipment you can see another my video about criticality of the equipments. So thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.